Thank you, Guy, very much. Thank you for coming, for these welcoming words, and I'm especially happy to see our colleagues also from the different groups from this house, and of course everybody who has come outside of this house. Especially, I'm happy to see young people, journalists, people from different think tanks. And also representations and embassies, so you are all most welcome, and I hope you will enjoy this afternoon today very much. Those who have been here before with us in similar seminars, then you know that this is already the second seminar on the modernization of Russia, organized by ALDE group, which is the Alliance of Liberals and Democrats for Europe. And I'm very proud to be a member of this group, and as the group leader, Guy Verhofstadt, said, I'm also very proud to be responsible on so important matter like EU-Russia relations are. If I may, just to turn attention on some technical issues. First, that this meeting goes live in our homepage, in ALDE homepage. It's, if somebody wants to follow us through internet, then you can just go www.alde.live.eu. And I hope that also there will be, our auditorium will be much bigger than we are here in this room. Well, I don't want to go too much into the political details, because we have a very, very prominent speakers who you will be listening soon. Just perhaps to mention a very little, but of course important points that, of course, for ALDE, for European Union, Russia is a very, very important partner. But we want to see a Russia which is democratic, which is free, which shares the European values, and of course, which is modernized. And this is what we are going to discuss today, what really modernization means. Is it only about the economic modernization, or it is also about democracy, rule of law, and freedoms? And also we can judge already today more or less how far current Russian government and the leadership, the political leadership in office has been reached in modernizing their country, or we will listen if they are modernizing the country at all or not. And also, for your information, Guy already mentioned the resolution which will be adopted hopefully next week in the Assembly about the rule of law in Russia. But the European Parliament has been keeping an eye on other developments in Russia as well. And the latest resolution was adopted last year in December in Strasbourg in the plenary, and this is, as you may have heard, the so-called Magnitsky's case, the list of, this was the resolution calling the European Council to establish the sanctions against those Russian officials who have been involved in the death of the young Russian lawyer Sergei Magnitsky. And also very, very important is to say that Russia has elections, parliamentary elections this year. That means that they are facing politically very, very important period. And we will hear from our Russian friends and speakers what it really means, what are the possibilities for the political opposition parties to participate in the elections. And as far it comes to the European Parliament, then I'm very, very satisfied that we were able to establish also last year in December the informal reflection group observing or early observing the coming elections in Russia, specifically in the point of registration of political parties in Russia and other aspects of democracy, rule of law, and human rights.